At Superior Pump, we build pumps built to last. Superior Pump Company offers a wide variety of water in and water out products. All Superior Pump products are designed to work in a specific category. The utility pump. These are fully submersible, manually operated pumps that you plug in to the outlet to start pumping and unplug to stop. Primarily used for clear water, some utility pumps have the ability to pass solids. They are made of a thermoplastic and cast iron construction in 1/5 to 1/2 horsepower options and performance range of 1,560 gallons per hour to 4,200 gallons per hour. We stand behind the quality of our products, and that is why all Superior pumps are backed by a 1 to 5 year limited warranty. operated pump company specializing in residential, light, commercial duty pumps, headquartered in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Superior Pump was founded in 1999 with a plumbing background starting in St. Paul, Minnesota, dating all the way back to 1885. Superior Pump adheres to our strong core family values, selling the absolute highest quality product possible at a fair cost. We concentrate on the little details when building a pump, putting all of them together to make one of the most durable pumps on the market. At Superior Pump, we build high-quality pumps. We have one mission: make pumps built to last. We didn't reinvent the pump, we just made it stronger, more reliable, and most importantly, affordable.